In this video, you'll learn how to integrate your Jotform products with Google Workspace using Google Sheets. By the end, your form responses will flow automatically into a spreadsheet, making it much easier to organize, analyze, or share your data with your team. Let's start inside the Jotform form builder. Open the form you want to connect to Google Sheets. This could be a contact form, an order form, a registration form, or any other form you've already created. Once you're in the builder, look near the top of the page for the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Find and select Integrations. This is where Jotform keeps all the built-in connections to other apps and services. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of options, but once it does, you'll see a search bar and a grid of different integrations. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. As you type, you should see the Google Sheets integration appear. Click on it to open the setup screen. This is where you'll link your Google account and tell Jotform exactly how to send your data into a spreadsheet. Before Jotform can send anything to Google Sheets, you need to authenticate your Google account. Click the button that prompts you to connect or authenticate. A Google window will pop up asking you to sign in, or if you're already signed in, to choose which account you want to use. Select the appropriate Google account that's connected to your Google Workspace. Google will then show a permissions screen. This is where you confirm that you're okay with Jotform accessing your Google Sheets to create or update spreadsheets. Review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow. This step is essential because without it, Jotform won't be able to send any form responses to your sheets. Next, you'll decide where that data should go. Jotform gives you two choices. You can create a new spreadsheet or you can select an existing one. If you choose to create a new spreadsheet, Jotform will generate a fresh Google Sheet for this form, usually with the same name as the form, and it will add it to your Google Drive. This is a great option when you want to keep things clean and separate. If you select an existing spreadsheet, Jotform will ask you to choose which one from your drive. This can be useful when you're consolidating data from multiple forms or if you already have a reporting sheet in place. Just be mindful of any existing data and structure in that file so you don't overwrite something important. Once you've chosen your spreadsheet, it's time to map your form fields to the columns in your sheet. You'll see your form fields like name, email, comments, or any other questions you've added. For each one, choose the corresponding column that should store that information in Google Sheets. Clear mapping is critical here. If name responses go into the name column and email responses go into the email column, your sheet will stay organized and easy to work with. After you've reviewed your choices and everything looks correct, click Complete Integration. Jotform will finalize the connection and confirm that the integration is active. From this point forward, every new form submission will automatically appear in your Google Sheet, usually within a few seconds. That's all you need to do. You've successfully integrated your Jotform product with Google Workspace through Google Sheets, and your data pipeline is now automated and ready to support your workflow.